If you're a telecoms company, I've got something incredibly exciting to share with you. Octupus.ai allows you to create, write, design, schedule 30 social media posts in 2 minutes. And that's not a joke either. All you do is input information about your business, upload your logo and your brand, choose your services, input your website, and it pulls everything from there. There's no writing involved, no editing involved, no designing involved, no scheduling involved, nothing. It's all done within the platform itself. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to run you through the process of how you sign up, how you input your information, and how you generate and schedule those posts. Starting off with signing up, it's super simple. First things first, you have to upload your company logo. This is where it's going to get the brand colors from. Obviously, this ensures that your posts look like your posts and not generic posts that everybody else is using. These will look custom to you based upon the information you provide and the logo that you upload. So I'm going to use the logo here. I'm going to upload that and put it in, and that will load. And what that will do is it will also remove the background on any logo images that you upload, so that then when it's being overlaid onto different things, it will show up properly. So as you can see, it's uploaded the logo there. Company name, connect it, email address, number, website and address. Fill all of that information out. Obviously, I'm not going to sit here and type in front of you, so I've had it pre-filled out already. Then what you need to do is analyze your website. Now this is super important because what it is doing is it is pulling information from your website. This isn't just general telecoms information. This is actually bespoke to you, your brand, your website, everything. So if I analyze the Connect It website, what that will do is that will look through everything on there. It will detect, first of all, that we are a telecoms company. Secondly, it will then pull through what it believes are all of the services that are being offered through the website currently. So that's verified, that's all sorted. We can go through to the next stage. So now that's sorted, now it's going to take you through to actually select the services that you want to do posts on. So you might offer more than what you want to actually promote about. And so that's where it pulls through everything that it believes that you offer. And then you can tick the ones that you want to do posts on. So I'm going to tick business broadband. I'm going to tick tracking numbers. I'm going to tick VoIP, and I'm going to tick call recording. Let's go with those for the moment. What you can also do as well is add in your own custom service into here as well. You know, if you do something that's very niche to you, if you do something that it didn't pull through from your website, perhaps you offer a service that you haven't yet updated your website to reflect. This is where you can add that in, so you don't only have to rely on the information from your website. I'm not going to add a custom service in now because it's pulled all the services through that I want to do posts on. Next, you have to connect your social medias up. You have to do this one time. Once you connect it up, it can schedule out onto your profiles for the infinite future. So I'm going to just simply connect my LinkedIn for the moment. Now, obviously, what you want to do is to connect all of your social profiles in order to be able to post across all of your platforms all at the same time. So there we go, LinkedIn connected. That's sorted. It's as easy as that, especially if you're already logged in to your profiles on your computer. There really is very, very little work involved. Next, we're going to skip through and go to content preferences. So first of all, we can choose how often we want to post. This doesn't limit the amount of posts that you get or you can do, but it's important to tell the system as much information as you can so that it knows about you, your preferences, what you like, what you don't like, and so on. So I'm going to choose that I'm going to post daily because I think that's the best thing to do. Content tone obviously is talking about the expression, the emotion in the voice. So if you want to sound professional, do you want to sound friendly? Do you want to sound technical and nerdy? Do you want to sound educational, or do you want to sound promotional, like you're trying to sell all the time? I'm going to choose friendly because I think that's the best tone of voice and people buy people. So now I've completed the setup and I am through to my Octupus.ai dashboard. Now this is where it gets really fun. You are signed up, everything is inputted. It can literally now start creating the posts and scheduling them out immediately. So if I go to generate new posts right here, I can choose how many of each one of these posts I want to generate. So you'll notice these are the services that I picked previously. So do you know what? I don't actually want a post on call recording. I don't want to post on tracking numbers, but I do want to post on business broadband, and I want one on VoIP as well. So if I choose 0011, generate posters. So you'll notice that we asked the platform to generate 2 social posts, one on VoIP and one on business broadband. And as you can see, 2 posts have been produced in the brand, with the logo, with the brand colors, with information on there, and with captions that are all relevant. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how you can now schedule that post. Either you have 2 options. One, you can schedule this post in. I'm going to choose LinkedIn because that's the platform that I connected. I'm going to pick a date, let's say tomorrow at 10:30. Schedule post. Gone. That post is now in the scheduled post area, which basically tells you that that post will be going out on June 27th at 10:30 a.m. As you can see, it says scheduled up here, so you know that you've already got that one plugged in without having to necessarily go to the scheduled post area. Or what you can do is you can post it right now. If you're happy with the post, if you're happy with the design, the caption, the hashtags, etc., you can simply click schedule/post, tick the platform that you want to post to. It's got the date in there right now. Post now. Done. That post is now out on social media already. You didn't write it, you didn't design it, you didn't research a hashtag, you did nothing other than click the button to post it. That is how easy this platform is.